Okay, it is day number 2 of the International Coccyx Pain Symposium, July 2023, here in Paris, France. I gave my lecture just earlier today on the topic of injections for tailbone pain, and we've had a lot of terrific talks, speakers from around the world about everything from surgery for tailbone pain and whether the coccygectomy should be complete versus partial, and what do you do about bone spurs at the lower tip, and can you just remove the spur, or could you do injections there often are very helpful. I perform those, but other doctors are talking about could you actually try to break apart the bone spur and see if it would resorb on its own, or the concern on the other hand is, would it cause more bone formation and fracture healing at the site and cause a bigger spur? So a lot of different topics, very, very interesting conversations and lectures, again with experts from around the world getting together to talk about the topic of tailbone pain. And the International Coccyx Pain Symposium happens about every 2 years. This was the 4th one. Again, this one here in July 2023 in Paris, France, here at the Dosset Amphitheater, which is part of the Cochin Hospital here in Paris. It's really just been a terrific conference so far. I've totally enjoyed it. I'm meeting lots of people who I haven't seen since the last International Coccyx Pain Symposium. So I'll be posting more information on my website, which is tailbonedoctor.com. And I'm Dr. Patrick Foy from the Tailbone Pain Center, or Coccyx Pain Center, at Rutgers, New Jersey Medical School. So that's all for now. Bye-bye.